Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. We are at Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology located in Panipat, Haryana with a campus spread across more than 35 acres. The institute offers various undergraduate and postgraduate courses guiding the path of students since 2006. Today we have Dr. J.S Saini, Director of PIET with us. We are delighted to have the opportunity to gain insights from your vast experience and leadership in education sector. Sir, can you provide an overview of your professional journey and your experience in education sector, including your tenure in this institution?
Okay. So thank you, first of all, the team from College Dunia, and this education sector is actually to my heart, very near to my heart. Uh, I became a teacher by choice. In fact, I had my education from GN Engineering College Ludhiana, BTech, and MTech from IIT Delhi, and PhD also with one of the guides from IIT Delhi. Uh, I have had about 35 years of experience in the government systems. Uh, Major part of it was in NIT, Mirpur, Himachal Pradesh, and then DCR, University of Science and Technology, Murthal, Sonipat. I had the opportunity of teaching thousands of students, and the subjects had a very large variety, about 30 subjects I had the opportunity of teaching, and guiding 10 PhD students and MTech students dissertations about 50. I also had the opportunity of executing projects, sponsored projects from AICT worth about 22 lakhs of rupees, about three projects, research projects, modernization and removal of obsolescence projects, whereby the facilities in the institutes could be enhanced. Uh, the students are very close to my heart. I still, even as a director, like to take classes. We also, conduct peer observation of our faculty and render them useful, feedback, such that they can improve upon their processes. So I think that should sum up the answer to the first question.
All right. As a director, what are the core principles that guide your leadership in the education sector?
Uh, to this question, I would say that empowerment is the first and the foremost principle that is guiding us. We like to empower our faculty, our departments, whereby they can render useful services to the studentship. As a matter of fact, many of our faculty members are already highly qualified, but there are lot many opportunities in the institute whereby the faculty is improving their qualifications, and also there is a lot of activity going all the time for faculty and students, which is basically one of the principles, empowering them, ongoingly, not just, one-time empowerment of the faculty. So ongoingly we train faculty, and the net result is that the students get benefited finally.
All right. How do you envision the role of technology in shaping the future of education, and what steps in your institution taking to adapt these changes?
This is really important, and technology is very pervasive. It's including all walks of life, and so it has done even in the education sector. If you talk about project-based learning, that is at the forefront of our educational system, and then the softwares, the helping the weak learners, the simulation, the experiments which they conduct. So technology is per se, of course, important for the grasping by the students, but also in delivering education. If you go to our classrooms, you will find that each of the classrooms is equipped with smart boards, where we conduct even flipped classes. So the modes of delivery are not just mundane, trivial chalk and talk systems, but whereby the students get interest gets aroused. To all kind of technology interventions we do, whereby the students really get interested in these subjects. And also the reinforcement of the theory material which they learn in the theory classes is had by way of giving them early projects. For most of the subjects, there are projects embedded into the courses. And AICT has also been very aggressive in this context. They have formed the new curricula on this pattern only. Yeah.
And so I would also like to know what all are the USPs of PIET and what is RISE in particular.
See, one of the USPs of PIET is vibrancy. If you look at the environment in the academic calendar is studded with a lot many activities which are student centric. Rather than getting it a one-way process of information transfer, we allow the students to take center stage, and we allow them free hand in conducting the events. And the number of events is huge. There is a huge number of events which are conducted through the year. So I would say the USPs are empowering the students by way of giving them a lot of opportunities on the stage, and even in the classroom, the environment is such that the students are induced into asking questions. So the questions are motivated from them. Yeah. Thank you.
How do you ensure that the institution remains competitive and relevant in today's rapidly evolving education landscape?
For this, I would say the upgradation of the faculty. If you look at our recruitment processes, you will be really wondering that we are continuously recruiting faculty. Although there is slight attrition also, that's part of life and part of systems. But we do not allow attrition itself to take effect, because we continuously recruit faculty, and in so doing, we also take services of the experts from various premier institutes. So we invite experts and we conduct interviews of the faculty ongoingly throughout the year. Almost the recruitments take place. So that is one. Secondly, the FDPs, the faculty development programs, they are also numerous. We give a lot of opportunities, and we give funding also, for the faculty to be updated. And then the grant for organizing conferences, etc., from the funding agencies is also there. From AICT, we get funds for organizing conferences, etc.
In your opinion, what are the biggest challenges facing higher education today, and how is your institution addressing them?
One of the challenges is a shift in the I would say paradigm shift has occurred post-corona. The students are more inclined to sit in their homes and receive the materials there itself. So attendance is one of the big challenges. And until and unless the full strength of students come to the institutions, I think they will not learn many of the traits of their personality. For example, the interactional modes, the students will not learn it. So unless they come to the classrooms, and many of the institutes, they are vouching for non-attending students. But fortunately, PIET is saved from this menace. We have not subscribed to the non-attending system of education, and we lay a lot of focus on the classroom teaching. Because the classroom environment, once it is vibrant, the students not just learn the knowledge part of it, the personality also grows once they come in that vibrant environment.
What advice would you give to aspiring leaders in education sector?
See, I would say buildings do not constitute institutions. The soul of the institute is faculty and the students. So I would say that rather than focusing on infrastructure alone, infrastructure is important, because unless and until the labs are well equipped, the research would not be befittingly able to be undertaken. But yet, at the core of the processes should lie the attention to faculty and attention to students. So that is my sole advice to the leaders in this area.
As we conclude today's session, we extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. J.S. Saini for sharing his valuable insights and wisdom with us. The journey of education at Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology continues to be one of the dedication, innovation, and excellence, shaping the future of countless students. Thank you for joining us, and we wish everyone continued success in their endeavors.
Thank you so much, and I also extend my best wishes to College Dunia and the entire team, which is spearheading this noble cause and spreading good vibes around in the students community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.